And I think that's where a lot of retail gives up as well, because once they
Yeah.
see a 1 and 2 year volatility, then they're like, okay, this is going to be
Yeah.
in perpetuity. I'm going to have to deal with this volatility for the longest time.
Exactly.
Because I feel like a lot of retail investors and a lot of friends, family that I know have this notion that, equities are just one fine day there's going to be a big crash and going to wash everything away.
Exactly.
Do you get that a lot as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So people start taking it personally, right? You start investing and then you're starting to track your returns and you feel markets are against you and you bought on this day. So we see that a lot, and people get influenced by the price and they buy, as I said, volatility, and they don't even get to the point of getting the real value out of markets. But I keep saying on the other side that you can control your risk. All you have to do is give it time. The minute you give it time, the risk comes under control.
Correct.
So you stick on for 5 years and the odds are very high for you to do better than the underlying volatility. Having said all of that, your starting point is important.
Okay.
As I mentioned in between our conversation, right now valuations are higher, therefore returns will be lower than this long-term average. At least you should plan for that. If you're lucky, it continues, it's great. But at least you should set your expectations correctly.
So this is the peak of the bull market. So it's a bit tricky if you start your investment journey now.
Yeah, calling it peak of a bull market is a sort of a little trickier statement because you don't really know.
Yeah, no one knows.
But you know the odds. So this is all about odds. You can't catch a top or a bottom or anything, but you can broadly know are the odds in your favor or against you. And that's the way you have to think about investing. Is it, when I'm buying at a low price to book, the odds are in my favor. When I'm buying at a high price to book, the odds are slightly against me. Those type of things. That's how you put it together. It's a world of odds and probability.